According to the World Health Organization, 642 million people in the world suffer from hearing loss. It affects 1 in 6 of us in the UK. That's more than 11 million people. Often referred to as the hidden disability, it affects a wider range of people than you think. Many of these have a hearing aid or cochlear implant, which essentially works like an amplifier, increasing the volume of all nearby sounds. A hearing loop works in conjunction with a hearing aid or cochlear implant that has a telecoil, together tailoring the sound to each individual's hearing loss. This cuts out all of the confusing background noise, allowing crystal clear, focused sound. And this is how it works. Copper wire is laid and connected to an amplifier to create a magnetic field. This is linked to a microphone or other audio input, allowing speech and music to be transmitted directly to the user's hearing device. Turning this into this. Hearing loops can be used to enhance one-to-one communication or to enable groups to hear with clarity in larger areas. So if your bank, your supermarket, your church, your theatre, or your classroom doesn't have this symbol, you're missing out on some of those potential customers and visitors. You're also at risk of breaching the Equality Act 2010. At Contacta, we have years of experience manufacturing, specifying and installing loops. If you don't have one, then get in touch and we'll make sure your message is heard.